Welcome back to Grandma's Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how to make cabbage rolls. In my family there are some people that don't like hamburger, so I'm making a veggie version and the hamburger version. Here's the veggie. It's carrots, rice, dill, celery, onions, and tomato juice. And in this one it's hamburger, rice, dill, and onions, salt and pepper. I did all this prep work ahead of time because it takes a little bit of time, so I didn't want to waste that much time in the video. You parboil your rice, parboil your cabbage, and you pull off the leaves off the cabbage, and this is how you fill them. You just take a spoonful, big heaping teaspoonful of your filling. You put tomato juice in the veggie one because it needs something to hold it together. In the hamburger one you don't, the hamburger holds everything together. You roll them up like this, tuck in the ends, roll it, and put it right in the roasting pan. And you just keep doing this until you're all done with your cabbage. You have to cut off the core. You don't want the core in there. Sometimes when you're parboiling it, all the core doesn't come out. So you just, again, you roll it, you fill them up. Fill it up real good. There we go, see? Fill it up. Roll it up. Tuck in the ends. And you just keep going till your pan's full. On each layer of your pan, you put a little dab of butter on each top of each cabbage roll, and then cover each layer with a layer of tomato juice. That's what they cook in. These take about 2 hours to cook on a 350 degree oven. The reason why they take that long, whoopsie, that one fell right apart. The reason why they take that long to cook is the cabbage is not fully cooked. You just parboil it to get it partially. And right now, this time of year, this is winter cabbage, so it's not as soft and tender as spring cabbage. If I were to make these a month from now, the cabbage would be a lot softer, and I could, it wouldn't take so long to cook. But it's alright. It's worth the wait. These are not hard to make. They are just time consuming. You have to chop all the vegetables, cook the rice. The hamburger you do not cook. You cook the rice and the hamburger's raw. The onions are raw, everything else is raw. Cut the rice. You cook that. And you must use long grain rice. You cannot use minute rice. It will get all mush. So with long grain rice, it's 2 to 1. So 2 cups of water to 1 cup of rice. Put it on a low heat and simmer it for about 5, 6, maybe 8 minutes. Take the lid off, give it a stir, you'll know when it's done. When it gets thickened and all the water is absorbed. Pieces like this that are no good, what you do is you put those over top, make it a layer to keep everything in, keep all the heat in and keep all the nice juices in. So there's some veggie ones all done. That's what they look like, all nice and rolled up in a stack. So now that's a whole row. So I'm going to put a dot of butter on each one, and then put a little bit of tomato juice, and then make another row. So there's your veggie ones. Now I'll show you the hamburger ones. That's a traditional way to make cabbage rolls, is with hamburger. But if you've got vegetarians, or if you've got people that cannot tolerate hamburger, like the way it is in our family, that's why I make the veggie ones. There's many recipes out there. You can put whatever vegetables you want. I put the carrots, onions, broccoli, that's the kind of thing that we like, so that's what I put in mine. You can put any vegetables you want, it does not matter. So now I'm going to show you the beef ones. Again, it's the same idea. Nice heaping tablespoon. You put it in the cabbage roll, and a piece of cabbage, roll it, tuck it, roll it up, and put it in the pan. So now part 2 will be tomorrow. I will show you what these look like when they are baked. These take about 3 hours in the oven because they're big and it's winter cabbage. So tune in again tomorrow to see the results. I'll be making pies and scalloped potatoes as well. Have a good day, everybody. Bye.